Sup lovely people, Kitty Joe here, and oh boy, today is a huge trip. I'm going to Europe today. This trip is more than just a vacation. It's basically my how do I say this? It's a graduation trip, and it took a lot of convincing because UK is the easy one, but convincing the whole family to go to Iceland, damn, like they had no idea what Iceland is. And to be honest, not many people do, even though they have a high tourism rate compared to the amount of people that live in Iceland. But it took a lot of convincing and a few family friends posting on Facebook about their vacation in Iceland. And here we are. So I'm packed now. I'm getting ready. I'm wearing a really thick jacket because I swear to God, it's gonna be cold, and I know I have a bunch of friends telling me, no, it's gonna be warm. Guys, it's gonna be cold. Like seriously, I checked the weather app. It's gonna be like 22 degrees. That's freezing. I was that cold when I was in New Zealand. So calm down. But yeah, I am so excited. I am looking forward to this whole thing unfolding. I'm so excited to meet some friends as well. Buy some merch probably, if I know where that YouTube space is. And yeah, I'm so excited. So, yay!
Don't you love when the weather is probably almost similar to what you may expect overseas?
Okay, so update on the whole airport thing. They got rid of that iconic departure sign, which is sad because I was really looking forward to that one. But no, they're renovating the airport, so yay! Also, I managed to get away with the camera bag scenario thing going on because when it comes to packing, my entire family goes on and on about how to pack and the amount of gear I carry, but luckily the airport and the airlines were like, yeah, it's fine to have a camera bag and a personal bag, so yay! So yeah, I can finally go inside an airplane with a bunch of camera gear now.